Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to this particular channel. So if you are preparing for CBSE Class 12 board examination and want to score full marks, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing you some day-by-day strategies that will help you to maximize your marks and build the confidence for the exam. Let's get started. So if you're someone who is preparing and you're very nervous for the exam for on 8th of March for your CBSE board examination, so stay tuned, and in this video I'm going to be discussing about some of the important paper strategies and how we are going to score the full marks in a paper. So I am the instructor for this particular session. My name is Sirsha Banerjee and I am a student at IIT Kharagpur. I have already scored 100 upon 100 in my maths examination in my class 12 board examination, right? So I'm going to be sharing you some of my critical tips and strategies which you will help you to prepare well for your examinations. Let's get started. Before we dive into the plan, let's quickly turn over and go through the CBSE maths exam pattern. You know that all the total internal paper is of 80 marks and with 20 marks as the internal assignment, right? Along with that, you will also have, and in the theory paper, it will consist of MCQs, short answers, and long answers. And out of the theory paper, the most important or high weightage topic is definitely given to calculus, algebra part, vectors, probability, and 3D geometry, right? So let us see how we basically break down these all study strategies, and that will actually help you to revise as well as prepare for effectively for your CBSE examination. So today's our motto is basically to understand some of the day-wise strategies that will help you to cover the syllabus effectively and also to focus on the conceptual clarity, and also we will try to practice lots of previous year papers, and also we'll try to understand how you are going to manage your time in the actual examinations. Let's start and see. So first of all, I have come up with some of the day-wise strategies that we can follow. So first and second day, so starting from today itself, you can basically start to complete your NCERT and strengthen all the concepts. That's for that I'm basically allocating 1 to 2 days, right? So if you just look at this, so first to second day, you can just try to complete all the NCERT textbooks. You can go through the NCERT exemplar problems thoroughly. You can try to revisit the solved examples and the concepts carefully, right? If possible, please make sure that you write a short notes and keep on revising the same short notes. Please solve all examples and exercises without skipping. Now, one more good news is that I'm coming up with the top 10 or important NCERT problems on each of every chapters. So stay tuned for that particular video, right? So if you're someone who is new to this particular channel and has found this gold mine, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please click on the bell icon, because we are definitely going to come live each and every day, and we're going to discuss about the important topics and discussions which will help you to crack the CBSE examinations, right? After that, please pay extra attention to calculus, algebra, and probability, as they definitely carry the most amount of marks. Please make sure to make a formula sheet, concept note for quicker revision. Try to identify what are your weaker areas and try to work on them to improve them, right? After that, in the third and the fourth day, you can try to revisit some of the previous year paper and sample papers. What I would suggest is that at least have past 10 years question paper to identify the repeated exam pattern. Now that you have built your concepts, it's try to test ourselves, right? So here you basically need to do some of the important thing is that try to at least attempt one sample paper daily under exam conditions, right? Along with that, try to set yourself a timer and try to analyze all the mistakes that you're basically doing in a exam kind of situation or time bound situation, right? Try to learn shortcut techniques and tricks that will actually help you to solve the problems in the mind, right? So that is for the mental calculations, so that you can re-verify the answers you're getting are basically the correct answers that you're getting for it. Now this is something that you can try for the MCQ based questions, right? Or the 1 marker problems or the 2 marker problem as well, right? So also along with that practice, please try to practice or work on speed and accuracy, because both of them are equally important. So this is very important to understand that you have to work on your accuracy as well as speed in order to tackle all the difficult problems or the easy problems in your CBSE examination and come up with a wonderful paper, right? So once you understand this, now we are getting closer to the examinations, right? So it's time to power packed have a good revision. So in the day 5, we'll basically try to analyze all the revisions, all the formulas, whatever we are preparing from of short notes or formula sheet, try to revise and revisit all those parts. Along with that, I would definitely recommend all of you to revise the weaker areas. This will actually help you to analyze that how you are going to pattern or schedule the paper or how you are going to attempt the paper, right? So please try to revisit all the important formulas, theorems and properties. Focus on the most important or commonly asked concepts. Try to solve at least one full length mock test and try to identify and rectify all the commonly made mistakes. Try to attempt the case study based questions and also improve your reasoning skills. Right. Now, as we are very much close to the exam date, so these are the final 2 days or final day that basically will help you in fine tuning your preparation. Here we go. So go to the summary notes and formula charts. Try to attempt at least one full mock test in a given exam kind of situation. Plan your time effectively, allocate times to each and every section. Ensure that you get proper rest and good sleep before the examinations is very important. Also, I know that many of people will be nervous before examination. Don't worry, there's nothing to be nervous about. If your preparations are wonderful, please stay calm and confident. Last minute panic won't actually help you out, right? So try to get your body proper rest and at least a very good sleep before going for the exam day, right? So on the exam day, please try to follow some of the important exam day strategies. That are the tips are here as follows. So try to read the question paper thoroughly in the first 15 minutes. That's very important. Start with the easy questions to build momentum as well as confidence, and also you can, this confidence will actually help you to crack the other 90% of the paper. Manage the time effectively. Do not spend too much or long time on any particular question. For example, if you're not getting out any question, please skip the question. You can revisit that question later when time permits, right? So please try to at least keep 15 minutes before your completion time for revision and cross checking with the calculations. Also, in that particular 15-minute time, you can definitely revisit those questions which you were not able to solve in the first go. Try to show the step-by-step calculations for getting full marks, because you know that exam in CBSE board examination, what actually matters is your presentation skills, right? So try to manage the time effectively, try to cross verify the calculations and try to answer in the last 15 minutes, right? So try to check and please keep some time barrier for revision. Revision is very important because this will actually help you to find out any minute mistakes that you have done while you're doing the calculations very quickly, right? So this is very important to understand and evaluate the paper on this basis, right? After that, now here are some of the important common mistakes that I would like to discuss before, because every students, I have seen many students, they do definitely do this kinds of mistake. That is, first and foremost is basically skipping the NCERT. Do not skip NCERT because every year direct questions comes from the NCERT, right? Next thing is basically ignoring the presentation skills or also ignoring the units. Proper steps and clear writing actually matters in the examination. Not practicing previous year papers, this is very crucial to understand the time management. And panicking during the exam, please try to stay calm and take deep breath and please focus on the question itself, not on those questions which are very difficult or you're not able to solve, right? Now coming to this last thing, so let us talk about something about the final touch or how you are going to do well in the exam strategy, right? So remember, consistency is the key, right? So please try to stay tuned to the plan and stay disciplined, and you will definitely see great results coming up. Believe in yourself and practice daily and never hesitate to clear your doubts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such study tips. Drop a comment below. If you have any questions, I will be happy to help you out. All the best for your exam. So success is yours. Keep pushing forward. So with this, I wish you all the best. Stay calm, stay confident, and you're going to definitely do well. Right? Thank you.